As an Etsy seller, it's super important to know which companies to trust when integrating your Etsy shop. In today's hack video, I'm sharing tools that help you run, market, optimize, and enhance your business. These are third-party integrations that you're able to connect your shop curated by Etsy themselves. Let me show you. So all you need to do is head over to your Etsy store, to your dashboard, head to the back end to your shop manager and click on integrations. And this new window is going to auto populate for you. Now, once you're in here, it's going to show you different third-party integrations that you could use for your Etsy store that are approved by Etsy. And they are divided by different categories. So the first category is market and promote your shop. So we have Pinterest, we have Allura, we have AdWeber for email marketing. A lot of people always ask, does Etsy allow email marketing? This is proof that they do. So just for those of you that are wondering that. And then for improve your listings and understand buyer trends, these are all the different tools that they have, from Marmarly to eRank to Vela, Mockup Editor, and a few more here. They also have manage your bookkeeping and taxes. These are all the different tools that they recommend. And then they also have understand and manage your inventory and analytics. So they have Square, Allura again, Crafty Base, Putler. And keep in mind, if you ever want to see what tools you're currently using, you could go to manage and it will give you all of them here. And if you ever need to disconnect one of these, all you have to do is just go here and disconnect it if you don't want that third party approval to have access to your Etsy store. But you want to make sure that you take advantage of these tools because they're going to help you grow your business to the next level. Let me know if you knew about this hack, and thank you for watching.